you know what's in the bag, Callum?
Another bag.
I would like you to acknowledge your reigning, defending, undisputed chef at home champion. I am the champion.
How are you the champion?
I am the champion.
I mean, it's a vacated title. You've not gone up against anybody yet.
No, I've done this several times now. I am the champion.
What is this? Sorry, what is this?
I am the champion.
What are you just giving you?
This is our title belt that we will be fighting for.
You hold it upside down.
The most prestigious title belt in all of the world. Bugger your Tyson Furies, your Roman Reignses, your Max Verstappens. The most prestigious, read it, undisputed heavyweight shit with sugar on champion. This is what we're fighting for. The stakes could not be higher.
I'm going home.